Today we demonstrate how to buy shares of Klockner Co SE, explaining the process step by step for the search. How to buy shares of Klockner Co SE. Klockner Co SE is a European steel and metal distributor listed on Xetra under the ticker KCO.DE, and this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to trade, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and to add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KCO.DE to find the correct listing. Make sure you locate the KCO.DE result that matches Klockner Co SE on Xetra. Open the company page to see basic information about Klockner, including business description and recent news, and view the price chart. Confirm the listing and ticker match Klockner Co SE before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For a direct link to eToro, check the description below.